in this video I've got a boost controller that I got to install, and also a bit of a sneak preview on what's to come and something pretty exciting that's happening and should be coming out pretty soon, so keep your eyes peeled. So I've been running this PETG one for maybe 500-600 Ks. No issues at all. I thought it might have been a bit funky, but probably would have been alright to run 14 psi. But long term, I'll be using this carbon fiber reinforced nylon one. This is the same kind of stuff they use on modern cars for their intake manifolds, like I believe new Supra uses it, things like that. Yeah, it's good for like 160 Celsius or something like that, whereas this is only good for about 80. So yeah, you can get your IATs way hot up in here, and it's a lot stronger as well, so you can really crank up the boost. So I'll put this one in. Alright, so the wiring is all nicely tucked up there, running back along there, through here. I've got it coming out just here. I might need to tuck it along a little bit further, but then it's just got to come up through that gap there, and it comes out just there. So I've just got a vacuum and basically just power in this connector here. Nice and simple. Didn't bother filming it just because I'm sure you guys have seen enough of me crawling around under cars doing wiring shit. It's all the same. Might be able to pull switch power from that. That's the power for the cigarette lighter, but this cigarette lighter is a bit poop, so might just tap into that and should be golden. So we're out here at Albany, just outside the stadium, waiting for Jaden from Performance Car Shop. He's going to do a photo shoot of this, kind of telling the story, and hopefully it'll get into the magazine. Alright, so I just realised I haven't done much filming recently to finish this video off. So got back from the photo shoot with Jaden, that went well, so that should be in the next issue of Performance Car Magazine. So I will probably release this the day before it comes out, just so if anyone from the magazine is watching, they can come check out this video. And then there's a playlist for the whole rebuild of this car, so if you want to check that out, go watch that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Dom to hop in the passenger seat. We'll just do a quick ride along now that I've got the boost controller set up. It's not crazy quick, but it's a lot better than it was at 7 psi, so I've got it sitting around 12 to 14 pretty reliably. It's been to NDT developments, and Brian's fixed starting issue that it's had, so that's awesome. So that was just a simple relay, something that I couldn't figure out and none of us could figure out, but he knew straight away, so that's really good. This car probably will get R35 coils and trigger kit eventually, and then retuned and see if we can crack that 300 kilowatt mark. Alright, let's go. So I've got 4 different modes here, well 4 plus a scramble. So 1 that's factory boost, so that's 7 psi, 2 that's around 9, 3 that's about 10 or 11, and then that's pretty much 14 on 4. Definitely not crazy fast, but that's good enough. What is that? Short throw now. The Tory.